These are the top 10 causes of life insurance death claims last 2020. Watch till the end. Okay, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll get notified about our new videos that we'll be putting out for you. This is Argel Tiburcio, a book author, licensed financial advisor, and financial literacy advocate. And for this video, we'll be talking about the top 10 life insurance death claims or the causes of these death claims last 2020. If you don't know already, I'm from AIA Film Life, and this data is based on unaudited financial statements. So it may change, but let's go and take a look. Here are the top 10 life insurance death claims. Let's start, of course, with top 10. Top 10 is motor vehicle traffic accidents. So last year, a total of 18.5 million worth of claims were released by our company. And if you see the other numbers or the other data in the screen, highest payout was 1.5 million. That means one claim amounted to 1.5 million. And the average payout is just 79,400 pesos. So imagine 79,400 for a death claim. That's why it's very important for us to review our policies if it's still relevant at this point. If it's not relevant, so maybe we should add more insurance or add more policies so it can cover the expenses or it can cover the needs of your beneficiaries or the ones that you will be leaving behind if ever untimely death happens. So let's proceed to the next. At number 9 are other circulatory system diseases, including mesenteric artery disease. So a total of 33.7 million were released, and one highest payout was for 2.5 million. Not bad, right? Of course, it's sad for a loved one to go, but it's better to focus on the grief at the moment rather than think about the financial implications of their loss, right? And there's an average payout. Again, it's so low. 194,000 average payout for those kinds of diseases. If we want to interpret that data again, most of the policyholders are underinsured. They need policy review. If you're watching this, if you need policy review, let me check your policies as part of my service as your personal financial advisor. Moving on to the number 8, other lung diseases, atelectasis, respiratory failure, and unspecified acute pulmonary. So a total of 37.8 million for 2020. And a highest payout of 6 million. So that's one of the highest so far that we've seen in this list, right? And again, it's a measly 304,000 for the average payout. Let's go ahead with number 7. 44.3 million for other diseases, nervous system, sense organs, hydrophobia. And again, topping out our list is a 10 million payout for this death claim category or this death claim causes of claims. And an average payout, again, 254,500 pesos. So if you focus on that number, it means that really there's a protection gap that needs to be addressed in the Philippines. So let's move over to number 6. Cardiac dysrhythmias. 56.4 million total claims. A highest payout of 11.3 million. 444,000 average payout for this category. You can see that the highest payout is also slowly climbing, which is good. But again, it's still lower than 500,000, the average payout, right? So let's have a quick pause before we go to our top 5. Again, I'm Argel Tiburcio and I can help you review your policies. Let's take a look if there are protection gaps that we can address. When we see these gaps, that's the time that I can show you the products or plans that are available with Philam Life. I don't push the products. That's not how I present, or that's not how I get clients. I start with the needs. Depending on the needs, that's when I try to bridge the gap between where they are now with their insurance plans or their financial goals up to where they want to be. If there is a gap, and if there is a plan that can bridge that gap, that's where I come in. What I don't do is show you a plan and then find a gap for that plan. That's not how I work. What I do is needs-based financial planning. If there's a need, that's where I present the plans that can help address that need. And of course, if you particularly want something, I can also provide that. Only a small percentage of my clients know what they want. They need my expertise, they need my suggestions, my insights before they realize that they need something or they have a problem that needs to be solved. So how can you contact me? Simply go to my Facebook page that I'll be flashing in this video now. Go to my Facebook page and send me a message there so that I can help you start bridging that gap. And you know, life insurance and health insurance is a very special product because you can only get life and health insurance when you don't need it. Why? Because once you need it, you can no longer buy it. So let's go back to our list of the top 10 life insurance death claims for 2020. Now let's go to number 5. Okay, number 5 is 91.1 million, and this is for cardiac arrest. A high payout of 2.5 million. So we came from a high of 11 million, right? So now it's 2.5 million. And another low average payout of 382,000 pesos. Again, still below even 500,000. Imagine if a family lives on, let's say, 20,000 per month and they just get 382,000. It can just last for a little over a year, right? It may not be enough for them to get back on their feet and live life the way they lived with the income that breadwinner provides for that family. So let's go on with number 4. 4 is acute myocardial infarction, 93.5 million, close to cardiac arrest, and a high payout of 5 million for one policy holder, and then average payout of a measly 101,000 pesos. It's good that they have insurance, but again, it's not enough. Now let's go to the top 3. Hypotension, 131.7 million with the highest payout of 3.9 million pesos. Average payout slightly improving above 500,000, 615,600 pesos. Now we're closing in to the top 1 with number 2, 142.8 million, other diseases of the heart. So if you can recognize, top 2, 4, and 5 are related to the heart, I think. I'm not a medical professional, but I think it's related to the heart. Highest payout for number 2 is 6 million pesos. And again, bringing down the average to 200,000 for these types of claims. So let's go to the top 1 life insurance death claim for 2020. Number 1 are other respiratory diseases like asthma, pulmonary edema, etc. So maybe these are the policy holders who might be affected with the pandemic because it's related to the respiratory system. I'm not so sure, that's just a hunch. But at number 1, 243.8 million pesos were paid out, and along with the top 1 is also the top 1 for this list, 13.1 million for the highest single payout of this claim, and an average payout of 450,000 pesos. So these are the top 10 life insurance death claims for 2020. And again, if you want me to help you check your existing insurance policies, life insurance policies, health insurance policies, I'm here to help you assess if this is still relevant for you and your family especially, and for your financial goals in the future. Just go to my Facebook page, send me a message in my Facebook page, and then let's chat and let's see if how I can help you bridge the gap or your protection gap with Film Life products or Film Life plans. If you're watching up to this point, don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for future updates and videos that I'll be putting out for you. If you have any comments or suggestions, put it down below in the comment box. If you want to ask something or you want to learn more about something, maybe I can create a video for you and help you with your personal finance, money management, and insurance needs. Again, this is Argel Tiburcio, a book author, licensed financial advisor, and financial literacy advocate. If you want to join my team, if you see yourself wanting to be like me or wanting to do what I do, please join my team of professional financial advisors because we still have more Filipinos to save from these financial tragedies or financial setbacks. I want you on my team. So just go to the website argeltiburcio.com/join to start your journey to becoming an insurance entrepreneur, home-based and online, anywhere in the Philippines. I hope to see you there. See you on my next videos.